We're here today to launch South Lanarkshire Council's annual Be Smart, Be Safe campaign, which delivers important home safety advice for the senior members in our community, including dealing with doorstep crime, bogus callers and scammers.
Today's event is called Be Smart, Be Safe, and it's very interactive where people come along and have small presentations where they can find out a lot of really important information. There's 7 different sets. The topics covered are financial education, which is really the scam letters, making sure people understand exactly what's happening. We've got British Red Cross who are doing first aid, our own leisure services who are offering a whole range of activities to help people keep healthy and happy. We have Care and Repair, Environmental Health, who are looking at food safety, which is very important as we get older. One of the very entertaining inputs that we have are where our trading standards officers are doing a mini play. The first scenario they have is a sneak-in theft, where the bogus caller will come along and pretend they're from the water board or the electricity board, send you off somewhere else in the house while they sneak in and make off with some of your valuables.
Hello, Mr. McIntosh. I'm from the water board. Oh, right. There's a problem with the water supply in your area.
The second scenario is the bogus builder, who comes along and tells you you need some very important repairs done, otherwise you're in trouble. They also are going to cost you a lot of money. It's done in a very fun way, but it gets over some very important messages.
We did learn a lot about the door scams. Definitely did learn a lot about it. When you hear things like that, you think, how can people be so stupid? But you know, I'm sitting watching all that, and I know it's happening. I can be fooled myself. I thought the last one there, the scam with the letters, I thought that really got home to you because that could happen to anybody. It really made me be alert. Very, very instructive. It was good to know these things, you know.